stage, Benjy Adams!
Alright?
Yeah.
I'm in the space now. Yeah. Yeah, it's small. It's pretty small. Yeah, we'll put it on stage. Yeah, no one will play it. Just take up some space. It's alright. Yeah, no. Yeah, we got Howard. Yeah, no, he'll sit in the corner. Yeah, no, he'll make the microphone the same volume as human speech. It's fine. Don't worry about it. No, we'll stick that on the stage as well. Yeah, no, there's loads of space. Stick it right on the stage. Yeah, we got onions. Onions. You know, fat cheeses. Yeah, we got it. A big fucking red one. Yeah. I don't know, stick it on the piano or something. Yeah, we've still got to get the paint and the lights, yeah. Alright, well, yeah, like we said, Biker Grove if Joseph Fritz will hand it. Alright, yeah, I've got to do it. Yeah, see you later. Alright, guys? I'm Benjy. Some of you might have noticed, or some of you might have thought I was the first act that got fucking eaten by the second act. That's not the case, I assure you. That's lost on you too, I'm sorry. I'm here to talk to you about being fat, basically. I'm ashamed of it, so I'm combating that by standing in front of a room full of people, talking about it. I've got women's jeans on from a plus-size ladies' website. There's a seam here, runs down the back, meant to look slimming. Doesn't fucking work. Does not work. Skinny jeans. Skinny jeans, they called them. Skinny jeans for fat people. They've got a name for that. Jeans. Fuck's sake.